David here, weekly wheeler. Today is 9th of November, 16:48, so just before 5 o'clock in the evening. Market is live at the moment. UK wheat we're looking at, November contract 2019, and we've got the May contract 2019, and we've got the yearly chart, monthly candles in front of us. Currently trading at 171.50. And we've been using this to watch this uptrend in place at the moment. We've got another red candle here. This is the fourth red candle falling back. We're coming back to test the 10 MSA simple moving average, which is 166.70. That's where our next support will be found, and we're 171.50 at the moment. So this is the long-term trend, which is still saying is in place. We're well above the 60 SMA, and that's pointed up this red line here. But in the short term, we're pulling back. So let's pop down and look in the monthly chart in more detail. You can clearly see here, this is now the fourth red candle. Still got negative feeling at the present moment. Let's pop down into the daily. And we can identify here quickly that we're below the 60 SMA and falling away from it. You can see on the stochastic on this chart, we're heavily oversold. We've just gone sideways over the last 5 days since last week's report. And we're closing at we're trading at 171.50. Oversold, below the 60 SMA, so we've got a short-term pullback in a long-term upwards trend. Expecting to see a bounce this week, hasn't happened, hasn't fallen any further down at the present moment. Finding support, this swing low, so look for the more of the same next week. Let's go to the new crop, the November contract, and so I just jump forward to this one here, and you can see this is now come under a bit more pressure than the old crop. We're trading at 155. Last Friday we're at 157, so we just keep edging away down at the moment. The stochastic is locked in more on this basis at the moment, shows no sign of support, so unfortunately we are falling back within a long-term uptrend, coming back to find support. We were looking for a bounce. This has not happened. Could we keep falling? Yes, all indications are that we could keep falling back. We have got the 60 SMA. What do we got on this? 30 SMA in the blue line and the green line, the 10 SA, all pointing down. So we could keep falling back. My eye is drawn down here to the whole number 150. We had some gaps left down here in May, so this could be a target potential. But at the moment, I say, you've got the long-term game at the moment. Yes, the long-term trend is in place, but in the short term, you could be looking to suffer more pain at the present moment. And as you can see on this chart, we are well below this 60 SMA now, and we're over 4% below it. So we are, technically, we could see a bounce at any time. We are oversold, but at the moment, if it wants to keep going, yes, we could do that. But still, on the long-term basis, we still have got that upwards trend in place. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.